Hey, Personal Finance. So we are coming towards the end here. This is our final project. We're going to spend the next 2 weeks on it. And what it is a family budget project. So you're going to start off doing the first 5 slides today. There's a big slideshow component to this. There's a big sheets component to this. And then I think what I'm going to do is have you do another like verbal presentation like we did for the insurance presentation to finish it up. So one piece of advice I want to give you before we start is an easy way to make this look really nice without a whole lot of effort is to use a Google Slide template. So if you go and just do a Google search for Google Slides templates, you can find a bunch of really good ones. I started doing this and I'm never going to go back. I'm always going to use a template to start things now because it gives you like a bunch of options for like what you want your thing to look like. So maybe you want to do this Feliz Cumpleaños one. You can see like, what the different slides look like. That might not be the best example, but like this one is, like you can see what the different slides look like. It also gives you ideas of how to arrange it so that it's like visually appealing. Like you might not think to have like just a little bit on one page, but that might actually be a really good strategy to make it look nice. So let's look at the 5 slides you need to do today. So you may remember that we picked careers, and also that came with the number of kids and their ages and also the state that you're going to live in. So you're going to have to take this into account as you're thinking about like budgeting for childcare, as you're thinking about like, budgeting for your kids' activities, clothes, all that kind of stuff. That's going to make a big difference, like in how much that's all going to cost. So your job for this morning and today during class, if you need more time, is to do the family budget project slides 1 through 5. So slide 2 really. You're going to introduce your family. You can find silly pictures on the internet of, like yourself plus your kids, like, find pictures that are going to be fun. I would recommend, make sure that as you're doing this slideshow, make it look nice. Fill up the page. These are just like good presentation skills that you'll be able to carry through to other things that you do, other classes, and just like in general, like in your life. It's good to have presentation skills and be able to format things in a nice way. So pictures of your family here. Then you're going to talk about your occupation that you were assigned, describing it in 2 or 3 sentences. You're going to use salary.com to find out what the average salary for that career is in your location. Make sure you add images. Then on this next slide, you're going to talk about education, training, and responsibilities. So responsibilities meaning like, what do you do day to day, or like, what are you in charge of? Okay. And then finally for this morning, you're going to talk about the cost of living. So that same link that you use to find your salary, you're going to find out which location, Williamston versus this new place, has a higher cost of living and how much. What salary do you need to earn in your new location to maintain your standard of living? So basically the same thing you did on that cost of living Jamboard, you're going to do that here with your new career, okay? Which location pays the higher salary and how much? What's your likely salary in the new location? Okay, so if you have questions on this, you're welcome to ask me. And the other thing we're going to do today, this afternoon, hopefully you're reading this or listening to this on Tuesday. If you have missing work, the assignments that I have like a bunch of people that are missing things on, I'm going to let you know that that's your job for today. And you may be assigned to work on that stuff during class instead of working on your final project during class. So make sure you use your time wisely. I'll see you guys later. Bye.